Stand up,
The
my
Vanguard.
I won't lose.
Okay.
Growl.
The peak of flavored Texas now. Ride, draw for ride, fast turn.
I will draw for ride. 8,000.
You're not going for the turn one, swung to more.
Don't have it. Get right.
Check one, check two.
That's it for me.
Draw for turn.
Can
Ride.
you Berserk Dragon? Yeah. I'm not throwing turn one swarm if you got Berserk Dragon every time.
Don't have it every time.
Just 90%, 89, give or take.
A good solid amount of times.
It's a good enough card to wear. Nobody wins. You might as well.
8.
I'm taking. Man. Okay, apparently I am taking that for man. Ah. Man. That's the end. I'll draw the turn. I'm fool. I'll just search for 2 pawns while I'm there.
Do it right. I make you do it. I mean, it technically wouldn't make a difference. But their enter abilities coming from the top.
Yeah, I have to do it first.
Never mind.
Alright, so I'll try for this Pongo. Cannibalism, so I'll try for this Pongo. More grade 1s down the drain. Sadness. Well, guess you're getting in there for 21.
Over. Blocks.
Go ahead.
Drop turn. Right?
That's a scary card.
Gives a force. Cool dragon.
Gives you force and other things you don't like to see on the
Berserk.
Yep.
Soul Blast grade 3. Soul Blast.
Do you want to know your dragon ability?
You know, that's probably a good point. And I forgot he had it on its ability for a moment.
That one doesn't draw a card. That ability does.
Retire iconic. Soul Blast 1. 33. 41. Bam, obviously.
41.
Yeah.
Colty.
Check 1. Check 2. Power Cruel. Drop the trigger. We'll start at 15. 23. 23. Okay, your turn.
I knew. Left turn. That's a fun card. King of Knights off red. Of course. We're gonna get me Blaster Blade. And he's gonna be beautiful.
Remind me to teach you to do a quick lesson on probability when we're done with this match. It's in reference to your tongles from earlier. How much?
31.
Nowhere.
Power draw. Power draw. There's 3 of those in a row.
Damage check. No card. I mean, no trigger. I can
No
still-
guard. I'm gonna die this waterfall.
What's a waterfall?
19, 23, 30, 41.
41 bam. So,
Yes. 41.
number.
Big turn.
What's a waterfall? How much?
38. Extra Vanguard. I suggest blocking the song.
Yeah. That is Jeremy the plan.
Have at least one card in this zone right
I'd see, so if you're at
here. I'm at 38.
38, so I need 25 to block.
30. Even passes.
You're right, you're
2
right.
crit triggers. Come on. Chunk them in. With that works too.
Okay. Draw for turn.
Waters.
Fancy boy. Cards in hand.
5.
Oh, and on place, retire. Okay.
He's dead. Sure.
Retire Wingle. Retire Sable. Draw. You said 5 cards in hand. Extra 8. Probably Barry. So last grade 3. 10, 20, 30, 43, 51.
I've got it.
Power, drop the trigger.
No crit, please.
Power, drop the
I was
trigger.
gonna say you could have kind of last one put him in soul.
I know, but you have 5 cards in hand, which means, and since sure, you may know that would kill you.
Vanguard.
Sure, you may know you would still not have been able to block, but I don't know that
But killing is better than not.
because he loses the boost if I push him in. So 23.
Doesn't.
What? Oh, you double triggered. 25. Also doesn't hit. Wow.
That's
lucky.
okay.
Lucky ass.
Draw for turn. Oh, that's a fun card.
Is it?
Night Squire Allen, Superior Call. Durham, draw for Superior Call. God dang it, crit triggers. Get out of here. I'm gonna use King of Knights to call the bastard both.
I mean, it still puts you in waterfall range.
I think I'm plenty in Waterfall range.
But no, I'm saying even if you healed, you would have been in waterfall range,
Yes.
which is the scary part right now.
You're not good.
Not really, but okay. Okay. Time for you to try to get through.
31. Yep.
Tossing berserk.
Nothing. Crap. 33. Oh my god.
Tossing a
Don't do it.
rush.
Oh, dude. Me. 26. All grade 3s, please?
Because darn, I just feel like being rude.
Oh my.
Tossing the heal trigger I could have just blocked with.
I feel like you got a Waterfall Dragon for some strange reason.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Draw for turn.
I'm ready to heal twice in a row. 3 times in a row.
Ride waterfall.
Uh-oh.
Ride. Oh, and on ride, retire Jaron.
Stop.
Ride over Gaius with an air mount.
That's big number.
Ride over Nahanum with Armor Knight. No, it's not. It's called Riding Home. Did I get my extra gift? No. Another gift. Soul Blast in grade 3. 10, 20, 30, 40, 53,
Yep, can't block.
64. Check 1.
Oh,
Crit
oh,
power.
Oh,
Check
you
2.
need more damage. No. No. Hey, look, my finishers. They're gone.
Good
Yeah,
game.
I like that.